Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Butter Gleaming Jack Anal Douche. So let's get started. So this is the Butter Gleaming Jack Anal Douche itself. Now this is a silicone anal douche and it's a must-have in every bedside cabinet. This is a really useful accessory to have, especially when it comes to anal play. This anal shower thoroughly cleanses your intimate zones so that all your adventures have a clean start. The shower is made of safe material and has a narrow nozzle. To use, simply remove the nozzle as demonstrated. There we go. Then fill the anal douche itself with lukewarm water, and it must be lukewarm, it cannot be cold or warm. Once it's filled, simply pop the nozzle back in and make sure it's completely tight, and then squeeze the ball to rinse the anus. Simple and easy to use. Make sure to repeat this a number of times. The perfect accessory for you. And that is the Butter Gleaming Jack Anal Douche. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.